Alright, if you're looking for the best keyboard for 2025, you need to watch this before you buy anything, because not all keyboards are created equal. Some will actually make learning harder, and I do not want that for you. So today we're checking out the Donner OURA S300. This thing has been making some waves, but is it actually the best keyboard of the year? We're gonna find out. But before we even get to that, let's talk about the 3 absolute must-haves you must have when buying a keyboard. If a keyboard doesn't check these boxes, do not even waste your time. So first, the must-haves for any keyboard that you buy. Number 1, 88 keys. A lot of beginner keyboards only have 61 or 76 keys. And while that can work for absolute beginners, if you actually want to develop your playing and not outgrow your keyboard in 6 months, get the full 88 keys. Number 2, weighted keys. This is a big one. If you're learning on an unweighted or semi-weighted keyboard, you're not going to build proper technique. A real piano has resistance when you press the keys, and if you ever want to transition to an acoustic piano or even a high-end digital piano, you need fully weighted keys. Number 3, a proper sustain pedal. Not one of those little plastic button pedals like this. You want a real pedal that mimics the feel of an acoustic piano. If you have to upgrade it separately, do it. It makes a massive difference in your playing experience. Now, most keyboards do not come with a proper sustain pedal. You usually have to buy one separately. But with the Donner OURA S300, you actually get the full 3-pedal system built in, including half pedaling capabilities. This is a huge bonus, especially if you want a real piano feeling. So I'm sitting right here in front of the Donner OURA S300. My first impressions, this thing looks sleek. Donner really leaned into the modern minimalist aesthetic with this one. It's got a dark, sophisticated design, a leather textured piano lid, and even some geometric grille details that give it a bit of character. And I love aesthetics. If you've seen my in-person music school, you know I like for things to look beautiful. This keyboard isn't just an instrument, it's a piece of home decor. We're actually putting it on our stage at the school, and it's already enhancing the waiting area too. So if you care about your space looking nice, this is a keyboard that won't just sound good, it will look good in your home as well. But let's talk about the playing experience, because that's what really matters. 88 keys? Yes, we've got the full 88 keys. This is a solid win right off the bat. Weighted keys? Yes. And they actually feel really good. This keyboard has a progressively weighted design, meaning the lower keys feel heavier and the higher keys feel lighter, just like a real grand piano. It's a small detail that makes a really big difference in developing technique. And how about the sustain pedal? Yes, it has not just a sustain pedal, it has all 3 of the pedals that a real piano has. It also has the half pedaling functionality, meaning you can control the sustain pedal dynamically based on how much you press the pedal. So if you're working on expressive playing, this is a fantastic feature. So now let's talk sound. This keyboard isn't just about looking good, it's got some serious sound quality behind it. First off, it has the authentic grand piano sound. Donner used top-tier acoustic piano samples to create a rich, full sound that actually feels inspiring to play. Some beginner keyboards sound a little bit flat or artificial, but this one has some depth to it. Here's a little glimpse of how it sounds. It also is more than just a piano. You also get other high-quality instrument sounds like guitar, bass, and organ. This is great if you like experimenting with different tones or want to layer sounds for a more dynamic performance. Next up, it has specially tuned speakers. The Donner OURA S300 has an optimized speaker system that's actually been designed to mimic the depth of an acoustic piano. It's loud enough to fill a room without needing external speakers, which is another big win if you want a simple plug-and-play setup. It also has exclusive Donner demo tracks. This keyboard comes with 3 built-in original mini demo songs, which is fun for getting a feel for different playing styles. It also has dual mode Bluetooth. This is a cool feature. You can wirelessly connect your phone or tablet to play along with your favorite songs, or use apps for learning, recording, or digital sheet music. No cables needed. So how do all these features actually benefit you as a pianist? 1, the realistic touch means better technique. The weighted keys and pedal system will help you develop proper hand control and expression, which will make transitioning to an acoustic piano way easier in the future. It has built-in high-quality tones to keep practice interesting. You're not just stuck with one piano sound, you can switch it up with guitar, bass, or organ sounds, which makes playing around with different styles really fun. The Bluetooth functionality makes learning easier. Want to practice with a metronome or backing track? Just connect your phone and go. No wires, no extra gear, just play. This is huge, as I recommend my students play with backing tracks all the time. Lastly, no extra speakers are needed. If you're playing in your living room, dorm, or small studio, the built-in speakers are more than powerful enough to give you a great sound experience. So, is this the best keyboard for 2025? If you're looking for something that looks great, plays well, and doesn't break the bank, the Donner OURA S300 is a solid choice. It checks all of the boxes that I recommend for pianists: 88 keys, weighted keys, and a sustain pedal, while also offering a modern, stylish design that fits into your home nicely. If you're planning to grab a Donner keyboard, don't forget to use my discount in the description of this video. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.